It's really nice to have a joiner, but it has its limitations. When it comes to working with large pieces, there are ways to enhance the machine's capabilities. The problem is, there's no way to joint small pieces. There's times I just need a little square piece. But I can't find one in the offcut pile. Did you know that you can use a router table to safely joint small pieces? Think about the joiner. It has a blade in plane with an outfeed table and an adjustable depth infeed table. Now take that idea and flip it vertically. When you apply that cutting method to something as small as a router table, you now have a way to safely joint small pieces. Simply loosen the outfeed fence, add these shims, then retighten the fence. The most important part is to line up the outfeed fence with the apex tip of the router bit. Just like a joiner, apply pressure on the infeed side as the workpiece passes the bit. Then apply pressure to the outfeed side as the piece exits the bit. You just watch me do it. Get up and do it yourself.